If you want to make your Tableau dashboard more interactive, creating an export clickable button is a great feature to add. In this beginner-friendly guide, you will learn how to create an export button in a Tableau dashboard step by step, even if you have zero experience. This allows users to export data or views easily with just one click. To get started, open Tableau Desktop and load your dataset. Once your data is ready, create the dashboard where you want to add the export button. Arrange your charts and visuals properly so your dashboard layout is complete before adding the button. Next, you need to create a button using a dashboard object. In the dashboard pane, drag a button or image object onto your dashboard. If you want a custom look, you can use an image as a button by uploading a clickable icon or label like export data. After placing the button, you need to add an action to make it functional. Go to the top menu and click on Dashboard. Then select Actions. Click on Add Action and choose Go to URL. This method is commonly used to trigger export functionality. In the URL field, you can use Tableau Server or Tableau Cloud export links. For example, you can link to a URL that triggers downloading data as a CSV or PDF. Make sure the URL is correctly formatted based on your published dashboard link. You can also use navigation buttons if you want to switch between dashboards or trigger specific views that allow exporting. Customize the button text, size, and placement to match your dashboard design. Once everything is set, test your dashboard by clicking the button to ensure it performs the export action correctly. If you are publishing to Tableau Server or Tableau Cloud, make sure users have the right permissions to download data. This feature is especially useful in apps like Tableau Quiz, where users may want to export results or data quickly. It enhances user experience and makes your dashboard more practical. In short, creating an export clickable button in Tableau involves adding a button object, linking it with a URL action, and configuring it to trigger data export. Now that you understand the process, try adding your own export button and make your Tableau dashboards more interactive and user-friendly. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.